Hello there, minions of technology. My name is Tim Lee. Welcome to Legacy Studio. We're in my living room because there's not a lot of space in my little house to play any kind of VR game. So I figured I would try and set something up out here with all of my movable gear and try and have a little bit of fun. Not really sure what I'm going to play, though. I figure that I would do a first-person shooter. I'm really terrible at first-person shooters in all of this stuff. I did Population 1, it's gotten over 100 views, no likes, so it's not quite going in my favor there, which I'm honestly not surprised, but, you know, it doesn't feel very good anyway. I figure I'd play a little Onward. I messed around with Onward. That's another first-person shooter that I have very little experience with. It actually feels very, very challenging for me, so I figured I would give that a shot. So we'll go ahead and wait to get through these intros, attempt to sync it up, and see what happens here. Now, challenging thing is, I have to look down my nose to see if I'm in alignment with my camera. We could easily lose alignment here. I have no idea how this is going to go. As long as I stay within this circle that I've set up, hopefully I'll be okay. Let me go ahead and set this thing up to record really quick. We're going to record video. There we go. So let me go ahead and clack my things together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. There we go. So now we should be able to sync up really easily. Let's go ahead and go right into I was going to say multiplayer, but I'm going to die. I mean, I can't even, let me show you how bad I am at this first before I try and offer up a multiplayer option here. So let's go into single player. We're going to go into operations, and I'm going to do an operation downfall. Downfall is, every time I've played this, I have failed and died every single time. I'm absolutely miserable at it. You'll see what I mean here in a second. We'll go rifleman. We'll be perfectly fine with whatever loadout that's here. Experienced? No. I'm a rookie. I'm going to set it at its minimum. I'm scared to go above 4. I will do 8. Watch me die against AIs. Okay? We're going to confirm, and we're going to go into the game, and you're going to see, guaranteed, that I am going to die. I'm going to look down my nose here, make sure I'm about centered in the camera, and you're going to see, like I said, death is imminent for me. First thing that I'm going to do is go and hide, because I'm, like I said, terrible at this. Alright, let me get my rifle here. 8 people's too many for me already, because I've done 4, and I have literally just been shot out of the sky in a heartbeat. Oh, there's one. Oh, see, look at that. See how they already noticed me? This is supposed to be beginner mode? And I really can't even aim down the sight. And of course, you guys can't see what apparently the left eye is the one that the camera records from. The right eye, the one that I aim down. You guys won't be able to see down. But technically there's supposed to be someone behind. See, right there, look at this. I'm not even beginning at the seat. Look at that. I've been hit. I've been hit. I mean, I can't. Grr. So, let me try and sneak my way over here. I'm out of ammo. Okay, what do we do? Is it this button? This button. Okay, there we go. And here we are. Give up? Why would I give up? What? Whoa! Oh, wait, no, wait. I'm not ready yet. Thank you. Oh, he was right in my shot. And he moved. They moved. They're like a lot closer now. Oh, I finally got one. One. That's all I got. I'm gonna move over here. Can I shoot? The problem is they're all gonna move in. Like, one guy's right there. He's right there. Oh, I wish I could go up there. Okay, I'm gonna have to just take a position here, I guess. Because... Okay. Drop the magazine. Pick up a new one. And, okay. Do it again, I dare you. Why am I out of rounds already? Okay. No, I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready yet. I'm so not ready yet. Come on. Where? What? What? You see how my dog's looking at me right now? Well, I'm okay. I'm fine. I can see you out of my bottom of my goggles here. Let me double tap here and check in on my little girl who's right here. I don't know if you guys can see when I go into this mode, but are you worried about me, little Zoe? Yeah, everything's fine. Okay. See, why am I getting shot at? I haven't even had the chance to hide. I can't even go anywhere. I mean, and there's 8 people, so that means if I just randomly walk around a corner, I'm probably going to die. Probably. Oh no, I don't want to go in here. I want to go in here. I want to. Okay. Oh, I don't know. Oh, wait, right there. Okay, that'll work. Okay, I need to reload, I think. I hope I need to reload, I think. Okay. Okay, there's no way that they can find me here. Do I have a... Oh! Ah, you see, I wouldn't even hold my gun properly. Okay. Well, that worked out well. Oh! Oops. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna assume that I have unlimited ammo here. Ooh! Don't hit me. Okay. And oh, they're gonna be coming right down the mountain when they come. There we go. Okay. Alright. Okay. I mean, you gotta admit, I'm taking them out pretty good. Okay, I obviously need my syringe. That's not my syringe. Okay, that's my syringe. Okay, just heal me. How? Did I shoot myself? I was trying to stick a needle in myself. I wasn't trying to shoot myself. And this is gonna go on YouTube where everyone else is gonna dislike it or not like it. 100 views on my Population 1 video. No likes. No likes! No likes! I mean, Zoe's not even liking this. She's just laying over there on the couch. Not even caring. Okay. Woo! That's a big gun! Okay, oh my land. Why isn't this thing shooting? It's a grenade! Run. I'm gonna go in here. And I'm going to hide in here until I can figure out. Okay. That was a big ka-chunk, which means people gonna... What is this? Why isn't it shooting? Oh my land. How does this work? How does this work? Where's the bullets? No, that's not what I'm pistol. I know how to use a pistol. I can. Oh. Seriously, you're not that far away. That won't work. How is this not killing you? Okay. Pick up the rifle. Okay, so it's open. I don't see any bullets. I don't. Oh. No, take. Oh! Oh! That's right, you better grunt. What? This is going so well. So well. So like I said, it's only 8 people. They're AIs. I'm in rookie mode. I'm so rookie mode. Two things come to mind. 1, high ground. 2, cover. See, look, I'm getting shot from somewhere. Is that him? Yep. Oh, okay, fine. You're getting the problem here. By the way, have you noticed my weird flat-footed kind of situation here? Oh, there's one down there. See, the thing is, as soon as you spot them, they spot you. See right there. And they're not dying. I'm aiming right down the sights. I would say I'm not doing a terrible job. I'm doing a pretty good job here. And yet, I'm still dying. And I'm out of ammo. Okay. And this one. Okay. Where? No, what? Wait, whoa, hey, whoa. What? Okay. I'm gonna go this way now. See, I can't shoot that far, so... Oh! Yeah, light you up. Light you up like a Christmas tree. Someone choked out. Whoa. See, these guys can't aim either, but... See, you're too far away, so obviously I need to get, like, in ground. Like, get closer or something. Let's just go ahead and reload now. Okay. Can't shoot through there. We're about to see someone any second now, I'm sure of it. See, and I'm wondering if I shouldn't keep this up close, if I should do it for... That worked. Okay, let's, Oh! What? I am... Okay, apparently I need that. Come here! Okay. Okay, I think I'm out of ammo. I don't know if I have any more. I'm literally picking up my magazines that I had. I just have to switch to my pistol. See, he's way over there. Oh. Let's go check out the other side. Looks pretty clear over here, actually. Oh, no, it doesn't. That will work. Oh! Run. Get cover. No! Grrr.
People, come on!
That's not what I meant to do.
Like...
Oh god.
Okay.
Let's head left and head towards A.
Head towards A.
I'm scared.
Oh, I didn't mean to drop it. Okay, get up here. That... This is not going well. I think I just... Okay, I'm being shot. I'm being shot. I'm being shot. There's a guy sniping from that other ridge, I betcha. Oh! Oh, wait. Is that it? Oh! Thank you. May I have another? Did you get the point? I stink at this. Royally stink at this. I mean, this is the thing. I love VR. 100% love VR. I got a long way to go. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video, I guess. No one's going to like it. No one's going to care. But I'm enjoying VR and enjoying my games that I've spent far too much money on. So, anyway, thank you for watching. I hope it was somewhat entertaining watching a newbie absolutely just get destroyed, because that's what's going on here. So I'll see you all next time right here on Legacy Studio Gaming in VR. Who knew? It was fun? Not really.